As a concerned citizen and legal practitioner, I feel compelled to address a pressing matter, and this is coming from Kayode Ajulo. He says, disrespect new national anthem and go to jail. He said, I have been dismayed by recent commentaries from certain individuals who brazenly boast about their disdain for the new old Nigerian national anthem. They openly defy the law, refusing to stand, sing, or show respect when the anthem is played. Let them be reminded that such actions are considered a grave sign of disrespect and can incur serious legal consequences. The Nigerian National Anthem Act stipulates that failures to stand during the rendition of the anthem is an offense punishable by imprisonment, fine, or both fine and imprisonment. I implore all to take heed and show the necessary respect for our national anthem. This is from Dr. Ulu Kayode Ajulo, SAN, OON, all of them. Undo Attorney General and Commissioner for Justice. Okay, what a funny position. Don't give this guy. Okay. Where is it written in the Constitution? Maybe you want to write it there today. Charge and bail lawyer. He's not a charge and bail lawyer. He's a SAN, Senior Advocate of Nigeria. Have you heard that before? It's not a charge and bail lawyer. Only in this APC government you hear go to jail, but you don't hear go to school or go to work. What's the funny democracy? If you are looking for favor from the criminal, dead conscience, wicked, evil, demonic, unrepentant, pathological, deceitful authorities, please tell us instead of vomiting this nonsense from your mouth. Go and read the Constitution very keenly. Every moment wants to be recognized. Are you happy with the hardship? You are talking about anthem that cannot even put food on the table. You need to go and sleep. Well, this man is already been given one appointment. He's now the Attorney General of Ondo State to give you that appointment. So I don't think he's looking for any job again, but he has to defend the job. Well, if you look at it, okay, you can say it is true that if you don't do this, if you don't do this, since it's national anthem, it has been passed to law. But the question is that, is it written there that if you don't, is it really written there? Like somebody said, maybe they want to just go and insert that for now, because another senior advocate of Nigeria had already come out before him saying that, of course, we know that the people who are saying this, who are coming out with their full chest saying this, a lot of people will not want to come out and say it to her because they are cowards, or they don't just want to talk about it. The two people we know, the prominent women, women of substance, they be Mama G, yeah, they be Area Mama, Aisha Yusufu, and Obi Ezekwesili. So these are the two people. I think there's another man from US lawyer, US based lawyer, a Nigerian US based lawyer. Ekberogi has said that we need to go into details of what he meant by that he's not going to respect it. So we are sure that these are the two people that this senior advocate Kayode Ajulo is talking about, that some people have come out brazenly and said, no, we are not going to obey that. While some people are saying that, what is the essence of all these things? But when we are seeing politicians, even somebody who said, yes, so they steal money, they lose, they are corrupt because they still give it back to the society. No. Do you know that nobody even made mention of that statement? That how can somebody like this be saying? It's only one man, only one journalist I heard, and he was so angry that how can the Federal Republic of Nigeria, the senior Senate of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, coming out to admit that they politicians, they lose, that the lose is not just for them alone, they give to the masses as well. That is an indictment. This kind of lawyer did not say that kind of thing, justifying corruption. But they won't say all of that. Nigerians have been hungry since, so you will not hear these people come. They didn't say anything. They just kept quiet. They always love to have something to talk about other people, but the wrong things that they are doing that is causing this wahala that we are in, they won't say anything about it. I've never even heard this guy say anything, apart from when he was still in, I don't know whether it was with when he had not been given any position during Jonathan Buhari's time. It was just in the camp of Oshibaju. Well, which law? Please go and reread the constitution. Tinubu should set example of your jail, as his picture was shown with two hands inside pockets as the anthem was going on. This lawyer should go and learn more. Why the new, old and anthem tarried? How many persons did you take to court for not obeying it? Some Kayode, same Kayode wey no get sense. This one. Honestly, you guys are making a mess of this country. The more because you guys leave the more important things, then discuss things that don't even worth it. You guys job and profession only makes sense only in dealing with the weak and poor in Nigeria. Exactly. Those in authority doing worse things against the state and constitution are moving freely, and that is it. And you expect people to respect you. How is a motto in North? You are a beneficiary of illegality. For me, anthem changed to the old one written by the colonial Oyibo woman instead of a Nigerians, if really in need for it. Just goes to show the mental type of our representatives as rubber stamp just to fulfill the wishes of one man. The Senai Noble laureates, among many others, would have given us another to be proud of, and they preach, use Nigeria made that they don't even believe. Yes, use Nigeria made. They don't believe in it. One person was talking about this on TV. I think there was Saturday also, and he was saying, why can't we accept our own? Why can't we do this and that? If now you both in, all of us will embrace them. And right then, people were telling him that, but you are talking about that, but the anthem that somebody wrote for you is what you are now embracing. You are not trying to justify and rationalize it. And the question I've been asking, was there any problem before now that people were complaining that, oh, one of our problem has been the national anthem we are singing? I don't understand it. I do not get that at all. All of a sudden, from nowhere, even somebody who was even aspiring to be president was talking about if he becomes the president, that one thing, the first thing, his priority is going to change his national anthem. And I was just like, so no wonder they always say that Tinubu does not have anything to offer. It is unfortunate that Ajulo is more concerned about change in national anthem than insecurity and the inhuman policies of government which are causing death in the country. It is a shame you have not read any articles from him on the economy. Dr. Kayode Ajulo, with dismay, I'm so disappointed for what you said about any person who did not respect the new national anthem, that the person will go to jail. I want to categorically say that you are not even being truthful at all. With due respect, section 24A, section say we shall stand and show respect for our country during the rendition of anthem. The act did not prescribe any offense to that. What Tinubu has done is unconstitutional. Same lawyers want to sue him for reintroducing old anthem. I'm now being forced to teach my grandchildren how to sing the old anthem. Can Tinubu sing it? Kayode, please, I want to find out from you whether anthem is a major problem Nigeria and Nigerians are facing now. They say you should show respect, and if somebody does not show respect, they did say this is what is going to happen. I think maybe that's the reason why one of the senior advocates said that Aisha Yesufu did not contravene or violate any law. So guys, let's hear your opinion and have your take on this.